Hi everybody and welcome to the top FPV videos of the week. I am your host Kent Nehrus, and today we have a special announcement just for you. Pilots and Drones is going to be a part of the City of STEM event in Downey, California at the Columbia Space Center April 2nd. We're going to be having a bunch of different types of drone activities, one of them being drone jousting, the other one being a flying drone piñata parade, and another one being a drone race. So come on down, April 2nd, Columbia Space Center in Downey, California, City of STEM. Check it out. Now back to the show. We got Tyler Healey, and he's got a cool little fly-through video that I think you'll want to check out. Whoa, Tyler, that is some amazing moves you got there, brother. That is how you do it. Nice, smooth, planned out lines. Check out all his info in the bio. Well, that's going to do it for us today, folks. Be sure to click that subscribe, click that like button, and always be sure to just send it